Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn your horizontal Final Cut project into a vertical one. And to be able to do this is really simple. As you can see, I'm in Final Cut and I have a horizontal project in front of me. And what we want to do is make this vertical. So to be able to do that, what we need to do is go over to the left hand side where we have our project that we want to convert. And what we want to do is either double tap if we're using an Apple trackpad or right click if we're using a mouse on the actual project file, and then we want to come down and click where it says duplicate project as. From here we can name our new vertical project, so we can just call this vertical version. And then what we want to do is go down to where it says video, and then we want to click into that and click vertical. From here, we can change the resolution to whatever we want. So I'm going to go with the 4K. And then we just go and change all of our other settings as we would when we create any other project. And when we're happy with that, we click OK. From here, what you can see, it's created a duplicate project called vertical version. And if we click into that, we can see that this video is now in the vertical format, but we do have one main issue. As you can see, we have the two black bars above and below our image because our image isn't fitting properly. To fix that, all we need to do is go ahead and drag our image out so that it fits correctly on the screen. So we go ahead and click the transform button right here. And then we can drag our image out and recenter it as and where we please. And essentially, that is how you create a vertical project from a horizontal one using Final Cut Pro. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.